Hello everyone! In this video, I will guide you through the process of streaming on Vimeo. First, open your web browser and go to vimeo.com. Then, click on Host Event or click on New and then select Host Event from the drop-down menu. Here you can select to set up from scratch, choose event type or reuse settings. I will choose the second option. Here, select choose your event type. You can choose from five types, and here you can choose the first option. If you are using an external streaming software like OBS, and the second one if you want to manage your full production with a web-based studio. And here you can enable these optional features like the registration, the chat, and automatic closed captions. Then click on Next. Here, add a title to your event, add a description, and scroll down and schedule your event. Here you can choose the time zone, and here you can set the privacy settings. You can make your event public, private, password protected, unlisted, or you can hide it from Vimeo. And here you can set the embed privacy settings. Then click on Create. Here you can see a preview window, and here you can add the speakers, choose from the templates, add media, add lower thirds, create polls to interact with your audience, start Q&As, manage registrants, and change the settings. And here you can enable or unmute to speak to your audience. Here you can open or stop your camera, and here you can share your screen. Click on Share Screen and then select if you want to share a tab from your browser, an application window, or if you want to share your entire screen. I will just go and share my entire screen and then click on Share. Here, go back to Speakers and you can drag your name so that to the rectangle to build your scene. And then click on Send to Stream. Wait for a few seconds. And as you can see, here is the stream preview. Once everything is set up, click on Go Live in the top right corner. And now you are live. Here is the number of people watching your live. And that's it. Now you can click on this icon in the top right corner to stop the stream. And then click End Event. And that's it. You've successfully streamed live on Vimeo. Here you can choose to trim your recording or to review the settings. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.